In this video, I will be teaching you how to make a shoulder pad from scratch. If this sounds like what you want to learn, please hit on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will get notified. And if this video is helpful at the end of this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. With me here, I have the fabric I will be working with, and here of the foam, and I will be using pattern paper to draft before I'll transfer to foam. So guys, now I'm going to just fold this pattern paper into two like this. Okay, you see I fold it into two for me to have a right measurement. So I will use me folding my fabric my pattern paper into two like this, and I'll first of all rule a starting point because the paper at the edge is not that straight. So this is me trying to rule a starting point here like this, and this point here will just serve as a guide for me. Okay, so from this point there, I'm just going to place my tape. I'm just going to place my tape at that edge here. So I'm going to take my measurement from the line that we just drew. Then I'm going to mark 3 inches. Okay, then after marking my 3 inches straight like this, I'm just going to rotate it like as if we are doing a curve. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Just watch me carefully. You can see I'm rotating my tape to mark my 3 inches. Then I'm just going to rotate it and end at the same line there. Okay, so I will stop at where the line starts, as in the line there. So I'm just going to draw it all the way like so. Okay, you can see me doing that. So I'm making my 3 inches all the way like so. So after that, now I'm just going to draw it. I'm very sorry that you cannot see what I'm doing here because I'm using a pencil. So please just follow my voice notes. Okay, so I'm just connecting the dots that I just drew. Then I'm just going to cut it all through. I'm just going to cut according to what I drew. Then I'm just going to cut it. This is me just following my line. Okay, so after cutting, I'm just going to cut this line here, this mark here. I'm just going to cut it, which is the starting point. So I'm just going to cut it. Then after cutting it, I will go ahead to open it up like so. So when I open it, it will be like this. Okay, so I'm going to use this pattern now to cut out my foam. I'm going to place this pattern on top of my foam like this, and firstly I'm just going to pin it down so that it will stay in one place. Okay, so after pinning, I'm just trying to arrange the pattern paper properly. So I'm just going to just cut it like I was just going to trace out the pattern. I'm just following the pattern. I'm just going to cut out. So after cutting, this is how it looks like, and the wideness of this foam is about ½ inch. Now the next step I will be doing is to just trim out the curving part so that it will lay very flat at the shoulder. Okay, so this is me trimming out the foam. Like I'm not cutting it out, I'm just trimming from the foam so that it will be flat at this curving part here. So I'm trimming it in a way that it will rhyme, because I'm not trimming all of it. Okay, I will just trim a little bit from the curving part to rhyme to the other side. Okay, so you can see this other side will be flat and the main shoulder part will be high. Okay, so this is it. So guys, after that, now the next step is to use this foam now, to use it to trace out the fabric I will be using. So I will just bring out the fabric here like this, and I'm just going to place the foam in between the fabric. I'm going to fold the fabric into two, and I'm going to place this side that is flat in like this, and I'm just going to trace it out like half an inch. Okay, I'm going to trace like half an inch like this. So I'm just tracing it according to the shape of the phone, but I cut, as in like I added half an inch while cutting it, so that I will use that half an inch to stitch it together. Okay, so guys, after cutting, this is what I will have. Now I will just take it to my sewing machine, and I will use the half an inch to just hold these two together, and I will run a very clean stitch here. So let me just quickly do that, and I will come back to show you how it is. And here it is after sewing. So the next step is to just trim the rough edges, the allowance that I have. I will just trim it close to the seam. Okay, I will not cut my seam. I will just trim out the rough edges out. Okay, so that it will be neat in this area here. So guys, that is that. If you are finding value in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please hit on the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a video, we get to see the video. So this is the final look of the pad, and it's looking pretty. So if you want to iron this pad, please, I will advise for you to use your tailor's hammer to iron. Just go ahead to bring out your tailor's hammer like this, and place it like this, and just be ironing it. If you want to iron before you will attach it to your sleeve, okay, or to your shoulder, just iron it this way, so that it will come out very well. And this is the final result of everything. If you find value in this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. To see you in my next video.